And this is my brother. And where is he? And this is my brother. Ian. Yes, Ihan. Today we are not here with the cooking video, but it's celebration. Yes, it's celebration. So let's get into the video. Our destination. So this is Alvadamar, but I don't know what. Arzin,
Yeah.
what can we do now?
We can eat ice cream.
Oh my God!
Okay, we can eat pizza.
How about
Goodies.
oh, what is that?
What is
Huh?
this?
This is the thing
What
that we
is
can
that?
do.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna take yellow. Arzin, I think you can take blue. Ihan, you can take white. Your favorite color. I'm just gonna keep it there. So let's
What
open
is
it.
this? I can read.
Don't actually show me.
Read this one. What is this, Mom? Eat gift for sister.
It's time to surprise your little brothers. Now let's check Ihan's. Show Ihan. Okay, I will show you. Okay, now just hold it.
Wow.
He better stay with his mom.
Let's go. So big. So. Abracadabra. Boom. Abracadabra. Boom. Bam. Hi friends. I'm taking doors. But where is doors? Yeah, it's here. Tia likes doors. Let's look. They also like craft. Maybe they like this. But that's not cool. Oh my God, it's full. Wow, this is nice. I love this. See friends, this is beautiful doors. I need more toys. Let's go. I found. Wow. It's here. This is fairy doll. That is good because it's like ice cream. I think they are so happy.
Hi friends, first we'll buy gift for Arzin. This looks good. This is an ice cream Play-Doh toy. He likes Play-Doh and ice cream. So let's take this for us. So next we'll buy gift for Ihan. Let's check. This is a Teletubby piano. See, it also has music and the Teletubbies moves. Ihan likes Teletubbies a lot. Let's take it. Bye. So we bought so many Eid gifts. So we will give them on Eid. Bye. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
How was your Eid preparation going? We prepared for our Eid too. Look at our dress. This is nice. Not cute. And look at my mehendi. But it's not that red. But still it's beautiful. And here, look at his. He has white stamps and all. Ihan also has some. So what's next, Arzin? Surprise. Yes, we are going to open our surprise we have our gifts here. So, Arjun, you can open your gift first.
Yes.
Now, Ihan can. So let's open my gift. It's something bad, I think. Just look at this bag. It's so nice. This very nice glitter here and this fluffy thing right here and this kind of silver thing here. This is the best bag.
But where is our gift?
Oh, fine. I will just give you this. I'm not the real gift. Of course not. So the gift we bought from Alva the Mart, I'm gonna give that gift to them. So this is Arjun's.
Yes. Wow, I got cinnamon Play-Doh.
Yes. Now you can open this too. Now Ihan can open too. Here we'll do it from down. Okay, Ihan, you can open.
Wow.
Arjun, did you buy me?
Yes.
Yes. What is this anyway?
It's a doll for you.
Oh, so nice doll! Wow, what a beautiful ones! I always needed those. What a beautiful toy you have! And even me!
Wow. Yay! Mine is. I got two.
Let me unbox mine.
Book.
Oh my god, this is such a busy one. Ihan, are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, he's happy. Arjun, what's next?
I don't know.
I think it's time to say the bye, maybe.
Oh my god, there are three toys.
There are more toys for us. Let's open.
My
Da 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 da.
My favorite color blue.
It's okay. Everyone gets the same and all.
Wow.
Huh? This is boys. Oh my goodness! Did you take my toy, Ihan?
Yeah.
This is mine. This is Ihan's.
Wow. What?
And the food ones. Arjun got car toys, Play-Doh and Transformer. I got Barbie dolls, Barbie house, a tea set and a bag. Ihan got car toys and Lego and chocolates and chips.
This is best day
Ever! We are so happy to get this all nice toys. And thank you to my parents and my little brothers too.
Bye guys.
So bye guys, hope you like our video. Let's play